Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. This is a device that will cost you around $300 depending on the storage that you choose and the RAM memory. Here in the back of the box we see that we have an AI quad camera, 108 megapixels. We have a 120Hz AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G and we have a big battery of 5020 mAh. Also included on the box we have a 33-watt fast charging brick, and you can read the other specifications here. This phone is the version with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The color name is Glacial Blue. Now that we have opened the box, here we see the user guide of the Note 10 Pro Max and a gel skin case. Here we see that we have the SIM ejection tool. We have a USB cable, which is Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other. Also here, this is the 33-watt fast charging brick. This is the phone itself. We have the cameras here on the back. On the right side of the phone, we have the power button, which also serves. Here we have the volume buttons. On the top, we have the headphone jack, speaker, microphone, and the infrared sensor. Here at the bottom, we have a microphone, charging port, and another speaker. Here on the left side we have the SIM tray. Worth mentioning that this phone has dual speakers. Now this phone has an AMOLED 120Hz display. I was playing around with this phone for a little bit, and I have to say that for $300 or equivalent of that in your currency, this is a very good phone. You can record a video up to 4K at 30 frames per second, and we can also do 1080p 60 frames per second. We can shoot nice photos with this phone, and as you can see we have a lot of other modes on the camera app here. This phone started its life with Android 11, and I believe that this phone will get up to Android 13. We have several ways of opening the device. We have password protected, and we can open by putting in a simple pattern. We can unlock the phone by face recognition, or we can unlock the phone by the fingerprint here, which is mounted on the right side of the phone. As you guys can see, the fingerprint sensor here on this phone is very fast. Also, one other thing I want to mention, this is the perfect phone for everyone. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on a phone, this is a phone that practically has everything that you want from a phone. This phone has a big display, has a 5000 mAh battery. This phone has a battery of 5000 mAh, and I think that this phone is capable to get you through the day with the display at maximum and refresh rate being at 120 Hz. It's a holiday season and I highly recommend you get this phone. I will try to find the best price and put it in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.